So here's our kitchen with cabinets you can pick away. We have tape on it to hold it up because it just will pop right off. We put this linoleum down as a quick fix right after we bought the house, and it quickly became a problem.
They have 2 kids who are both at like such important times of their life. They feel like they're missing both of the important times for both of their daughters.
We went about things completely wrong, and in doing so ended up wasting money, but also, more importantly, time. Jasmine, hi. Come on in.
Thanks. So this is the original window?
Yes.
We like having the big window.
Do they work?
No, they don't.
No, they don't open and close.
This glass isn't tempered. So you have a 2-year-old that's in here hitting the glass, and all it takes is one toy or something that, and it would just shatter.
She bangs into it because that's what kids do, and it's super scary.
There were walls here, correct?
Yes.
So when we bought the place, there was 1.5 bathrooms. Then we took out this bathroom thinking we'll put one off of the main bedroom really soon, and that hasn't happened. So we're just living with the 1 bathroom.
An 18-year-old, a 2-year-old, and both of you using 1 single bathroom.
We're making it work right now, but it'd be nice to have one.
Let's talk about the kitchen. Oh,
so
wow.
This is pink.
These are obviously the original cabinets, but they look like they're just falling apart.
Yes, they are.
This kitchen is just, it's done.
Yes.
Yeah, there's nothing to salvage in here. It's been picked apart a little bit too. Yeah,
Yes.
just being right here, I'm confused. Because this is your kitchen, and now this is your main bedroom.
So here you have the exit to the backyard and the garage.
This is how you get to your house
Yes.
every day.
Yeah.
Pantry for your kitchen, bedroom.
Yeah.
No
Yes.
walls or doors.
Correct.
How in the world does this work?
It doesn't really. There's no privacy, obviously. I would say the main bedroom has caused our relationship to suffer.
What's in this door? Oh my gosh, this is the laundry room.
Yes.
This is the most strangely placed laundry room I've ever encountered. You guys have a teenager. Teenagers live at like weird times, right?
She's coming in to either get food or she's coming in to do her laundry at all hours.
As a couple, you need to be able to have a spot that's yours, that you can like have your time together, to have the family coming and going. There's no serenity. There's no bedroom.
Regret jumping into it so wholeheartedly that I thought, we could tackle everything.
It's overwhelming to think about what needs to be done to make the house inviting and comfortable and usable.
Anything for the 2 of you has been just completely put on hold.
Feels like we've wasted precious time.
For Mike and Sarah, it literally feels like everything is on the line for them. Their relationship with their kids, their relationship with each other, the safety of their home. I mean, their home is not in a good condition right now. What is your budget for this project?
Our budget is $200,000.
That's a healthy budget for the amount of work that we're talking about.
This job is not something we can tackle. It's not stuff Mike can do. We need to get professionals in who know what they're doing and have this done right for our own sanity and safety.
This is what $200,000 worth of renovation starts out like. It looks like a different house in here. We have torn this place apart. Take all the drywall off. Outside, all the stucco comes off because we got new windows going in that are gonna be a completely different size. We're just gonna start fresh. I'm gonna build a wall right here. I'm gonna build a wall right here. I'm gonna have this into a bathroom. They got rid of a bathroom. Now we're putting one back in. Right now, this is the beginning of their new life. And it's looking pretty good. Ooh, pretty. You guys ready?
Oh yeah, we're ready.
Here it comes. The windows that we chose for this house, they're black, they're modern, and they are going to change the style of this house, both on the exterior and the interior. Now that we've installed these new windows, we can start working on the outside of the house. And this is gonna be a full makeover, and we're gonna start with some fresh paint. Mike and Sarah, they saved for a long time to do this renovation. And so I get to use that budget, make a beautiful custom kitchen, and part of that's custom cabinetry. I have $26,000 towards the cabinetry, and that sounds like a lot of money, but for custom cabinetry, it's gonna go quick. I've almost maxed out my budget. Now it's that final push. I have to get everything into place to get Mike and Sarah and the girls back into this house. This thing is huge. Whoa, oh my gosh. This looks awesome. This house is almost done, but there is one space that I feel needs a lot of attention, and that is this family room. Perfect.
Right?
Looks great. So today, Scott and I are installing this huge family built-in. All of these custom features, completely built out, came in at $4,800.
Right.
This will give them so much functionality,
Yeah.
extend their family room in a way that nothing else could have. Before, there was like this half wall in the kitchen, and next to that was an area for Jane. That's gone. I completely reclaimed that area when I redid this kitchen, and I wanted to figure out how to give everyone a space where they feel like it's just theirs. This family built-in is gonna do just that. We've got the shelves.
Yeah.
And then here, I'm gonna do a big chalkboard that folds down into a kid's table. So that's gonna be awesome.
Yeah, who's not gonna love that?
This house is done. There's literally nothing else that I could do to make this house any more finished than it is. Today, they get to come home and legitimately spend time together in their house for the first time. Oh my gosh, look at the shutters.
Oh, the shutters, look at that.
Oh my gosh. Hi, guys.
Hello.
Oh my gosh. This is so amazing.
If the outside looks this good, I just can't
I
even
know.
imagine the inside.
I know. You did start this project on your own. It would be really cool for just the two of you to go in and see the house together. Let's go, babe.
All right, you first.
Oh my gosh. No way. Oh my gosh, I'm dying. Oh my gosh. I love the built-in. Look at all her stuff. What?
The island.
Ah, it's huge. Okay, so these built-ins. Yeah. Let's take a minute to remember what was here before. It kind of felt cluttered. Yeah. So the idea behind this built-in was that it's for the whole family. Yeah. I know Jane has a lot of toys right now, but I think it's important for Emma to also have her area, and you know, this is kind of her side. Cool. This is a chalkboard by day. Yeah, it's awesome. And then also by day, I guess. Yeah. It's also a table.
Oh, wow.
Oh, how cool. So it goes up pretty easy. I can't wait to see the girls' reactions. They're gonna freak out. It's gonna be awesome. Right where you're standing, there used to be a wall. And just by getting rid of that wall made such a difference.
It is gorgeous.
These are actually made out of wood. They're a little bit lighter, which is nice. With the windows, I felt like this would be a really cool way to like tie them all in.
It is.
Super custom. I love it. And your pantry, it was in your bedroom, and now your pantry's here. This is what you should have when you come in through the door from your garage, right? Not a pantry of food and a main bedroom. I love it. This wasn't the only strangely positioned room in this side of the house. There was also that laundry room. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, this is so cool. I know, the wallpaper's awesome.
Look at the floor.
Oh, wow. That laundry room was so
Scary.
old. And then, Mike, you mentioned you'd be like laying in bed and you'd like open your eyes. Yeah.
Hear the laundry room.
So now, the reason you're not gonna hear the laundry room is because you've got a door on your bedroom. Yes, I know, right here. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. You know, you gave the girls the bedrooms and you had a bed in whatever that room was. So being able to have a room that is yours, individually and as a couple, is so important. So there is still one more room. You always planned on adding another bathroom, so much so that you took a bathroom away. Oh my gosh, no way. What?
Look at that shower.
Oh my gosh. The floor looks so good. So good, you picked it out. This vanity. It's so neat. So they're brand new drawers, but just the faces of them are reclaimed wood. I love them. I can't believe this is our bathroom. I can't believe we have another bathroom. This was a big project.
What I've learned throughout this process is to take a step back from the DIYs that are just a little too big to handle and just let the right person handle it.
And that's huge coming from him, so.
Oh, I know. To hear you say that means a lot.
It's all just so incredible. I just can't thank you enough because this is really life-changing for us.
Oh my goodness. Holy cow.
Jasmine and her team just worked wonders.
We for sure couldn't have done it on our own. This is gonna completely change our lives, how we live every day.